Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Sunday as we have broke back into the $41,950 support level, opening up the range to 38,000 US dollars. So I had to get this video out to you guys as traditional markets are going to open tomorrow on Monday, and this is going to potentially bring a lot of volatility to Bitcoin's price. So I want to talk about what I'm expecting and watching here as we start to see the traditional markets open. Notice how we have 41,950 right now is the major support level. If we really start to cross below this level, hourly and 4-hour candles, we have to be cautious to the point of which understanding that 38,000 is the next level of support after 41,950, and because we've already came down below this range twice, and notice how we initially wicked below this range, then we really came below this range, and then finally we were able to hold the range for a little bit, having a cup of coffee here. If we come back down with the order books cleared the way they are now, in my opinion, we also have to watch 36,500 and 34,788. So that's only if we start to see hourly and 4-hour candles closing below 41,950. These are the downside targets to expect. So about 9 to 15% area of downside there for Bitcoin. Now, when it comes to the bullish scenario, as we start to see futures markets give us a little bit of an indication of where institutions are going to be placing their bets this week, we also want to monitor here. If we go onto the 4-hour chart, notice how we have this structural support, which is now going to be resistance right at this $42,500 level. If we can start getting back above 42,500, maybe we can just say 43,000 because that's the big even there. In my opinion, we could be buying ourselves some more time to see some sideways price action for Bitcoin. But at this point, I think it's going to be tough for Bitcoin to get to 44,800 in the next 24 to 48 hours. And so understand that we're either at a point of breaking down or at a point where we're going to be seeing more sideways price action. So I had to get this quick video update to you guys, and nothing has really changed with our altcoin predictions. We still believe here on the Snipers channel that altcoin season is on the verge of a short-term slowdown, with the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart being the leading indicator here, still forming some new lows on a daily basis, and that is certainly affecting Ethereum's price. If Bitcoin cannot get above 43,000, it's going to be very tough for Ethereum to get back above 3,000 at this point. And remember, this range can take us potentially down below 2,000 US dollars if we see Bitcoin break down from that $41,950 level, especially if we start getting towards that 38,000, 36,500 and $34,788 support level. So when we look at what's happening to the DXY, this is a major market when it comes to understanding the correlation of the dollar value against other assets. If this starts to push up above 93.82, that's going to be an extremely important puzzle piece, because that would be the first time in over a year that the strength of the dollar is really starting to tighten up and strengthen against other assets. And this is where I'd be concerned about other markets. So we'll continue to watch traditional markets as we start to see them open up. But other than that, the last thing I'm going to be watching is the S&P 500. How does this open up here with the futures markets? Because we are above the 50-day moving average. It's the first time we've tested the 100-day moving average since the start of this year. And usually we get back above the 50-day moving average and we see continuation to the upside. So we want to start to see that type of price action. If we start to see some downside at the S&P 500, that would not be a good sign. We've already tested the 100-day moving average, so we have to keep that on the table as a puzzle piece for the bears and what they might have in mind. If the S&P 500 starts to come down, that could certainly affect Bitcoin. So just wanted to throw this quick update out to you guys, since Bitcoin is now back at 41,950, what to expect. And if you guys don't already know, I'm in Greece. I'm actually leaving today, so this is the last time I'm going to be able to show you guys this amazing view, and I am worn out. It's been a long trip, but I'm excited to move forward, and as always, we're going to be posting our content on a daily basis. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for tuning into the Snipers channel today. I'm going to head to the airport soon, and I'm going to enjoy myself here. And everything's going exactly as predicted. Isn't that awesome here on the Snipers channel? So until next time, thank you all for tuning in. Snipers